Hi, this is Roger Gage from Gage Family Farms. We have a major washout here along this little creek. It comes all the way up here, goes all the way up that way. And it ain't very big, but when the river comes up, it really comes through here. I start putting some concrete in there, right there that you can see. And if I don't put concrete all the way around this curve here, that's going to go right across my tenure into the river, which is over there. Yeah, that's a bad deal if that happens. The whole reason this is doing this is over here. You can bear with me. Right here, trees fell in and across the creek there. And when the water banks up there, it starts swirling around in here. So I got to rock it. And it's really washed here bad. That'll come clear around if I don't do something. Goes clear around over there, and over there is the river. So, and the eagles nests over there. So, well, this is all tenure, about 60 some acres of tenure. Yeah, we have a lot of deer, a lot of turkeys, and a lot of pheasants. So, we're going to drive over by the river now. Yeah, okay, we're going to take off here. Try to do this one-handed. And drive over by the river. You can see what the river is. This here is just that little creek. There, it's not real big. It gets high water in it. It really gets churning pretty good. Yeah, there's a few other places along here I'm gonna have to put concrete or rock or something. I'm just glad in northeast Iowa, I think all the glaciers melted here because we have a lot of rock in the fields, and everybody wants to get rid of the rock piles. Right there's another spot that's gonna have to take some rock washing out. It's gonna cut across if I don't do something with it. It's all goes around over on this side towards the river. So, yeah. Now this is my new tractor, 65C Case International. It's only a 65 horse tractor, but I really enjoy it. I like it. It does a lot. It does everything I want it to do. So, yeah. Well, right there, right down there is the big river, which ain't all that big. Pretty small river, but it's starting to wash right down there on the curb, too, right across from where those rocks are. Might have to fill that in someday. And there's all, if you have a creek or a river on your property, then you're always trying to stop it from washing your land down to the Gulf of Mexico. We have enough Iowa farm ground going to the Gulf of Mexico. We don't need any more of it. Yeah, that's part of the same river right there. I'm sorry if this is a little bumpy, but can't help it. Yeah, so this here, where all this tenure is, this all floods. So it's a good candidate for a pollinator plant. So it's pretty nice. Oh, right there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a eagle's nest. And right over there is an eagle sitting in the tree. If I knew how to zoom this in, I'd show it to you better, but I don't know. So I've never done this before. My first time ever filming anything. So, having eagles around, I guess they're kind of nice to watch, but they're an awful big bird. So, yeah. There's a big bank over there that washes all every year. I don't know. That's a 20-foot bank. I don't know if I ever get enough stuff to fill that thing in. But, I try. But this is about all there is here. So I'm gonna let you go. I hope you enjoy the video.